a very overcast day today in Holland, and just to look around, it's really amazing. This is the canal that's out in front of me, but they've been doing some work down here, and I'll tell you something, they got this big huge boat in here. I don't know how they did it, but they did, and I mean, it's just incredible to see all this work going on. These guys are working hard, and they've got all kinds of things going on. In fact, it looks like they're going to lift that crane again. Let's see if we can get a shot of it. Yeah, see, this is a pretty big boat. And these little canals that are out in front here, you know, it's basically for, you know, personal use boats and everything. As you can see, there's a lot of, you know, sailing ships down here, but all the shorter varieties. But they have really gone the extra mile to get this in here. They even brought in this little pedestal here to work off of, and all of this they've done in about the last 4 or 5 days while I've been watching. So it's pretty amazing. It must be 9 o'clock because the 9 o'clock bell's going off right now. So you can hear the church in the background, and it's quite a few blocks away, but that's one of the big landmarks here in Dordrecht. Okay, this is action back here, and I'm gonna go inside and see if they've got a couple of things I need, and then I'll go over to the supermarket and grab a couple of things I need over there, and we'll be good. Okay, well, I just went into Spar and I picked up some cereal and some milk for this morning. But overall, this is such a nice place, and the sun is starting to come out. It's starting to look really good. The other thing I notice is you have seasons here. I don't know what seasons are where I live, so it's just kind of crazy. But yeah, it's pretty nice out here today. We're supposed to take a boat ride, so hopefully the weather will be great enough for that ride. But I'm getting pretty excited, so I can't wait to see what happens. In the meantime, I'm gonna go back to the B&B, and the funny thing about the B&B is it's right behind the market here. So, like I say, if I go over here a little further, I just came out of the market, and over here there's a brown fence coming up over right behind this truck here. And that's where I am living right now. So yeah, I really love being here, and it's just been such a nice change of pace from the normal day-to-day stuff. Yeah, you see, it even says B&B up here, so that's where I'm staying. So I better go in and eat my cereal. Okay, now this is an interesting situation, because this used to be a little road that went to the canal, and they decided there was too much wasted space back in 1632. So what they did is they started building over the thing, making a tunnel instead of having it all open like that. And they built all these buildings between the two that are standing. So, and that's the entrance to where we're gonna go get our canal ride. Okay, I assume this is the boat we're gonna be taking. There's nobody down here yet, and we've got less than a half an hour before the cruise starts, so maybe everybody's getting a slow start. But it's a really Sundays and Mondays they close a lot of things around here, because it is a Monday. I don't see too much happening. So we will just have to wait and see what happens from here. But we're supposed to be on this at 2 o'clock, and that, like I say, it's less than a half an hour now. Okay, we're going on an evening cruise, and Lori wanted to make sure she didn't get cold, so there she is, all set up and ready to go. Nanook of the North. She's on the move. I love going down this street. It's just so cool, even at night like this, and it's starting to head towards evening right now. So, it's just fun. We have lots of great things in this town, and altogether it's just a wonderful place to be.
If anyone wants to be on the outside, you can come over and switch. We live here.
I know. I'm just safe that I didn't hit my head.
Oh yeah, look at the sun is over there.
Phone's ready. Everyone is like...
Oh, I don't like being online, so just cut me out.
You wanna come over here, Casper?
You think they're filming the sunset, but we're filming.
Oh, look at that. Over here.
Okay.
Oh, no.
We can skip even out the sun.
Yeah, oh yeah, I think so. I'm going to. I'm
Look at
going
home too.
Sorry. Go ahead. Second home.
Behind the house?
You're good?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Can you go back a little bit? Just split there.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
So we can do two things, because I have a fast boat. Yeah. So I see the boat over there has a sun reflection on it, because the sun is now behind the buildings over there. If you want to see a sunset, I can speed up and go over there.
Do we want to see the sunset?
Yeah.
Sounds cool.
Yes.
Into the city center.
I say
Okay.
speed up.
Sunset.
Yeah.
Sunset.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Everybody speed up.
Watch
Hold
your
on
head.
tight.
Hold on tight or sit. Watch your head.
Oh look.
There you go.
Come back.
Oh,
Don't turn around yet. Don't speed up yet.
Pas op je zonnebril.
Like this.
Ah, the wind blowing to my hair.
Lori, are you?
Alright, awesome.
Want to sit between Casper?
It's great. Oh wow. Oh, it's a great sunset. Check it out.
Getting brave. I love it. Good job, Anita.
Rex,
Yeah.
you want me to get a shot for you?
From Al?
Sure. It's still on.
Here's the question. Why is there so many jet trails?
Hey, there he is.
Nice.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
The jet trails. They're not necessarily jet trails, right?
Like
In the
very
sky.
exhaustion.
Oh, yeah,
The lines from the planes.
Oh, you mean that's to keep everybody healthy, you know?
So I can tell you all sorts of things about our city.
Yeah.
If you look to the right side, we see our big church. From here you can clearly see it. We have a leaning tower. The tower is leaning to the left 2 meters and 25 centimeters. So actually quite a lot. And that's why they never finished the tower. Because they wanted the tower to be 108 meters high. But they only reached 68 meters. They wanted to have it a pointy top. Same like the Domtoren in Utrecht.
So much spirit. This is on.
We're gonna have to stop because otherwise you won't have a tower left.
So when did the cannonball hit it? What year was that?
Cannonball.
There's a cannonball on the back of the church. It's one of the pillars has an actual Spanish cannonball.
I don't know when the cannonball. They started building this church. They finished it in 1451, and it took them 200 years to build. So
Wow.
so that's where the church is. Where the church was built.
Probably 1600s, I guess.
It was quite a Spanish.
Where's that?
The Spanish attack.
You have to climb the thing.
Oh yeah, Rex. This is the second one of the 2 remaining gates of the city. Wow.
Beautiful.
There used to be what, 11 or something?
7.
Oh, okay, yeah.
7. Now there's 2 left. This one and the
Photo.
photo. Yeah.
Did you know the hotel Bellevue? That it's sold now?
I do know.
Yes!
So finally,
Finally, something.
it was a big hotel at the most beautiful gate of Dordrecht. And it was empty for like 8 years because
You
it was a
went last
hotel
time, I think.
with a great
The
restaurant,
one
great
when you
view,
walk
but
to Young Pier.
apparently the
hotel,
owner
yeah.
didn't want to sell it to everybody.
What is
But
Young
now
Pier?
finally.
Well, we
Maybe would you
ate.
customer
Yeah, but it's so sad because it's the most beautiful point.
yeah,
Like,
Three Rivers.
yeah. Yeah. Nice.
The one about see her. Marina Blah.
Oh, she's coming back.
I'm learning the
Cool, cool.
little at a time.
Well, every Dutch word you learn makes us happy because there's no reason to do it. It's nice.
That's one of my favorite ones.
Yeah,
She's stuck on Dewey.
that is fun.
It's a fun one. Yeah, she can get in. Like what?
Now we're entering our new harbor.
So
Because this harbor was
Yeah,
like 1410, so
Barbara,
actually it's an
hello.
old harbor.
hello. Do you want to join? No, it's no problem. Okay, so do you know like where Magazijn
It's
is?
very simple with the names. So, the big church.
Before Magazijn is a small little dock, like you know where the city tour boat boards? If you can meet us on that dock, we'll pick you up in a few minutes.
How shall we call the Long Island Bridge?
Back in the days it was a wooden bridge, so I forget how they named it. The long wooden bridge.
Yeah,
Street over there, Long Island Bridge.
that's okay. Right now we're in the old harbor anyways, so it will take us a few minutes to get over there.
Well, there you go. Look at
my
this
side of the
beautiful night. Oh, gorgeous
still
night
my
for a boat
fault.
ride.
I
And,
know.
oh my God, it's great. So, it's a lot of fun out here.
Yeah. My clock, I can't see I have the other clock.
There is Barbara.
I can't see the
here.
What's the other side? Really serious.
You know where Cibarone is? The office? Just say Cibarone. Oh yeah, but not everybody knows this.
I know the secret.
Apple cider.
Yeah, Jen. Yeah, Jen, explain.
That's not part of the tour. That's not part of the tour.
We have the alcohol free.
We brought snacks if anybody wants to snack. Chips, boiled noches.
Really? Yeah. Oh my God. I haven't eaten this for years because Mariah is
Peanut butter cookies.
allergic to nuts. Can I break this open?
Yeah.
Because Mariah's coming home tomorrow, so now I can eat nuts.
you can eat.
I cannot poison my girlfriend now, people.
I know that.
Wow.
If we look to the right side, we see the biggest warehouse of our city, Warehouse Stockholm. 40 meters deep, but if we look at the top, we see she's missing something, and that's the hoist.
Oh, yeah.
So normally a warehouse has a hoist on top to lift goods all the way to the top. So over here the people had to carry the goods all the way to the top instead of lifting it with a hoist. So the people that worked in the warehouse actually very strong. Was done by a powerful guild named sack carriers and actually wanted to do the job. So they said the owner, don't put a lifting hook on it because we will lose our job.
And our gym.
Yeah, it's a good gym with a beautiful view on the backside.
Like in the back of the gym, they have like a big balcony. Okay, let's go together after I'm done being cranky.
But it's also definitely
Oh, okay.
got a red bit on. Hey! No.
Boy, that timed out perfect. Look at that battery. It's flat.
Bingo.
It's about
Bingo.
ready to die.
Everybody said hi to each other. If I walk the dogs, it's so great. Like a little town.
Yeah, our city center is like village.
Yeah.
Everybody knows each other.
Yeah. It's so fun.
So now we're going straight through our city center. Houses directly in the water.
We're gonna go more into the center.
Okay.
This is where they picked us up.
There's the volume.
Oh yeah.
her the chance to sleep. She said if I hear the boat, I'll wave.
Yeah, I come complete with plenty of battery.
Very nice, not difficult.
Hmm?
They want to ask like, why about what?
Yeah, just knock on their door.
Yeah, you know, not at all. It's nice to say.
We can like see into people's homes and stuff, which is kind of cool. This one looks awesome.
Kijk, die meer. Dat is leuk man, dat is echt leuk.
Dat is een van de dingen die binnen van kan. So now we're arriving at an old city town hall on the left side over there. So this is not the original wall of it. The original wall is on the back side. You can go over there because of the time. But back in the days, this was a warehouse, and they started building in 1383. So it's actually very old. And between 1850 and 1870, they put this part in front of it because then it became a town hall. Unlike our main city gate, they needed to show that they were powerful. So you see all the pillars, the lions, it shows that they're powerful. Sorry? No, it's not a prison. Now it was a town hall that had a prison on top of it.
It's still, you can still visit it.
You can still visit the
Yeah.
prison, but it doesn't have a function.
No, but it's very really scary.
Yeah?
It's now
And
purely.
the old city hall was much more beautiful. It was more medieval, and then
Yes.
now they did this.
It's
like,
more than the systems
Yeah.
of the backside is.
but you still can visit the prison upstairs, like the wooden and really small doors. Yeah, it's really big. Ja, je zit er. Je hebt de Open Monumenten daar.
Oh ja.
Dat was met de kinderen geweest, die vinden dat wel leuk. Ja, dit is een kleine auto op.
Yeah, my GoPro came with 2 batteries, and I won't buy any more than that because I don't like the GoPro at all.
It's good to have a backup. For
Yeah,
this.
or if I'm going in like a ride that gets wet,
In the Netherlands, that's
you know, that thing is water.
Are the oldest. We have city rights from 1251.
Hey!
Wait, what's the oldest city in Holland?
Not in Holland. In Holland, so South Holland, that's Dordrecht.
Yeah,
And the
but
entire Netherlands, that's Nijmegen.
Nijmegen. Okay. Are we second?
We're second.
I thought so. Okay.
Ha!
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, it
yes.
is. Yes, yeah, it is.
Dat mister?
No biomaak.
Man.
All the Catholics are
Yes, it is.
No,
In Venice, they use it as a taxi.
I'm very impressed with this
Instead of the
place, I really am.
pedal,
Look at-
use the engine.
Look at the 2 berries on the end of the boat.
Barry's on a boat.
Berries on a boat.
I'm on a boat.
Berries on a boat. That could be a series I would watch.
I'm kind of
That's
a
a good
Robin
TV
horse
show.
now, though.
Yeah, she's not
Kind of
a berry
Yeah.
anymore.
Yeah.
The only other berry is down next to you down there.
Yeah. Berries on the boat.
Barry's on a boat.
Casper and I can come up with a theme song. Oh yeah. Berries on the boat. 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 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I
Berries on the
know.
boat. Berries on the boat. Ravenhorst is a really cool definition. Thank you. It's a little bit medieval. In the Efteling, it sounds like it's a name from the Efteling. Ravenhorst. Raven.
Goes on forever.
The kids love it.
No, he said it's only 68 and they wanted to make it 100 feet, so it's been twice that.
But it's like great.
Crazy, huh?
Yeah. I mean, not exactly twice, but still quite a lot higher than it is.
Without machinery.
Yeah, Ravenhorst. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, and one night is like wait.
nice out of this one, I guess.
Oh, it's a good one to learn Dutch.
I don't know what strings you had to pull, but this came out beautiful.
It's a small town. We all know each other. We all help each other. Look how many neighbors. It was easy to get a boat full of 10 people out. You know?
Don't tell them we owe them big time.
I told her she'd be making my night. She could figure it out for me. She's like, I think we get it. Don't worry.
Huh?
She said, I told her you'd be making my night if you could figure out a way for this for me. She was like, yeah, we got it.
Ja, dat zijn van die woorden dat je denkt, ja, die woorden zijn specifiek.
Nee, heel specifiek praten.
Ja, ja, dat is zo, ja.
Huh?
What are you doing?
Normaal gesprek dan kan je altijd wel een beetje mars.
Ja, inderdaad, ja. Goed woordschap.
Echt een granade.
Oh, heb je check hem out? Ah, I see it. I've never seen the glass ones like that.
Ja,